Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today's tutorial is going to be super simple and quick. We're drawing the mysterious Caretaker from Hollow Knight Silksong. Are you new here? Then don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave your like. This really helps the channel grow and allows us to continue bringing tutorials like this to you. Grab your tools, relax, and let's draw together step by step. We've sped up the part where we created the skeleton and the first rough sketch so we can focus on the line art, but feel free to pause the video anytime to study those early shapes. Let's start with the eyes, two simple oval shapes that carry all the expression of the character. And remember, if any step feels tricky, just pause the video and take your time. The minimalist face design is a signature style of Team Cherry. Now we draw the head, keeping it large, smooth, and rounded. The Caretaker appears in promotional material for Hollow Knight Silksong. Add the turban-like wrap around the head, following the curvature and giving a layered look, almost like a soft shell. Even though the design is minimal, the eyes are extremely expressive, and they are the only facial features. No ears, no nose, no mouth. Now draw the necklace made of round beads, each one slightly overlapping the next. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to leave a like and share it with your friends. You can also check out the other Hollow Knight characters we've already drawn. Just click the card above to explore the playlist. And tell me in the comments, which character should we draw next? Let me redo that part. Okay, much better now. Like many NPCs in the series, very little is explicitly explained about him. Let's sketch the cloak, wrapping around the body in a simple and elegant way. Pay attention to the bottom edge of the cloak, with uneven, worn-out tips that suggest age and use. Under the cloak, keep the body compact and rounded, reinforcing that small, sturdy silhouette. Now draw the legs short and curved, almost like little pincers or pliers supporting the body. His name suggests a role tied to protection or maintenance. Let's move to the staff shaft, long, straight, and slightly tapered. The staff he carries may symbolize authority or responsibility. Now draw the circular top of the staff, clean and symmetrical, forming a strong visual focal point. There we go! Inside that circle, add the hanging ornament, centered and gently suspended, giving a mystical feel. Wow, that looks really good! For colors, we mainly use soft grays, deep blacks, and warm golden tones. Pretty obvious, right? But feel free to color your Caretaker however you like. And here's our Caretaker, drawn in the original Hollow Knight Silksong style. I hope you were inspired and had fun. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.